guys, so today's video is going to be this makeup look right here. This is inspired by Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and I wanted to create a look to kind of symbolize that. So I hope you guys are... Excuse you. This kid. No, you say hi. Alright, so all of these colors are a lot of pink, fuchsias, they're very bright, and so if you guys want to see how I got this look, please just keep on watching. So I already applied my foundation and my concealer and contour as well as my highlight, and I already did my brows. The one thing I did forget to do for my brows is I forgot to set them. So to set my brows, I'm going to be taking the NYX Control Freak, and I'm going to be applying this to my brows just to keep them in place. The reason why I decided to do my makeup off camera is because my last video, I kind of showed you guys my foundation routine and not much has changed, so besides wasting your time and seeing all that over again, I just decided to do it beforehand. And so I was inspired to create this look because Katie, she posted this picture on Instagram, and this was kind of inspired by her own palette that her and Desi did, but it's really this gorgeous kind of shimmery pink eyeshadow look. And then also Karen from I Love Sarah E, she did this makeup tutorial with this pink look. So that is kind of what my inspiration is for today. So first, starting off, I'm going to prime my lids. I'm going to be taking the Fenty. This is their Pro Filter eyeshadow base. I actually love this. I've used it a few times. It's very thick and I like its consistency. So I'm just going to be applying this to my eyelids. And then I'm just going to blend that in with my Sigma E20 brush all over my lid. Okay guys, so after I'm done applying that to my lid, for my base, I'm going to be using the Profusion Eye and Cheek palette right here. Okay, so for the transition color, I'm going to be taking this color right here and applying this all over my lid. Okay guys, so this is what my eyelids look like after I've applied the pink shadow to them as the base. Now I'm going to be moving on to the crease. So I'm going to be taking my fluffy brush, and this is by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to be taking my Morphe 35B palette. I'm going to be applying this fuchsia shade to my crease. And I decided to move my camera up so you guys can really see what I'm doing, so that's why it's closer to my face than it was before. Now I'm going to be taking this buffer brush, and I'm going to be taking my Mario Badescu spray. I'm going to be spraying the brush a little bit, and then I'm going to be dipping it back into that same fuchsia color, but this time I'm going to be focusing more of my crease and really just making sure I can intensify the crease part of my eye. Kind of making it almost like a smoky pink eye, but I'm going to be flaring out the edges of the eye. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking a darker fuchsia pinkish color, and I'm going to be going into my crease again just to give the eye a little bit more dimension. A lot of the colors are kind of fading out together, so I'm just going to be applying a little bit more depth and going in with a darker pink color. And then I'm going back in with a lighter fuchsia color and just blending it all out one more time. And I'm sorry if you guys keep getting different lighting variances. It's really hard to film with natural lighting, but I'm doing my best. So if you guys can see right here, this is what my eyes look like after I've smoked everything out and blended it all together. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking the same color that's on my top lid and carrying it down to my waterline. Okay guys, so now I'm taking my Hidden Treasures palette by Dose of Colors, and I'm going to be taking the ruby color right here and applying this and a halo effect on my lid. Oh my gosh guys, it's so pigmented. You guys, it's so pigmented right now. Oh my gosh. It's definitely coming out better than I thought it was. So for my inner corner, I'm going to be taking the Crown color, also from the Hidden Color also from Dose of Colors palette, and applying that into my inner corner. Okay guys, now I'm going to be taking my Tarte mascara and applying this all over my lids. I don't think I'm going to do falsies just because I still have not mastered putting on falsies and I don't want to mess up the eye look. And then also I want to go for a more delicate look, so I'm just going to apply mascara for this look. For highlight, I'm going to be using the Kilowatt Girl Next Door Compact by Rihanna. I'm going to be lining my lips with Leo by Kylie Cosmetics. And then for my lipstick, I'm going to be taking Pixie, and this is actually given to me at BeautyCon. I just am now using it, and it's their Raspberry Blush Master Love lipstick. So it looks like this. It's a gorgeous cranberry type of color. So I'm going to apply that all over my lips. It smells so good. Wow. Okay guys, so this completes my makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I hope you guys are staying aware for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, that you're getting your pap smears and your breast checked. Whatever you guys need to do to stay healthy. And if you guys want more videos like this one, make sure you guys let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. I'm the only one that ever should.